The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is here, and this time Samsung isn't just trying to show off a futuristic folding phone. The goal seems much clearer. Make a foldable that actually feels like a normal flagship smartphone while giving you a much bigger screen when you need it. After using it, the biggest difference you notice is how much more refined the experience feels. It's thinner, lighter, more powerful, and much easier to live with compared to older Fold models. At just 4.5 millimeters unfolded and weighing only 201 grams, this is one of the thinnest and lightest foldables Samsung has ever made. If you enjoy honest smartphone reviews and want to stay updated with the latest tech, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's take a closer look. Starting with the design, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 feels incredibly premium. Samsung has used an aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus ceramic protection on the outside, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, and an improved hinge system with Flex titanium technology for better durability. It also comes with an IP48 rating for dust and water resistance, which gives you more confidence using a foldable phone every day. When closed, you get a practical 5.5-inch cover display, but the real magic happens when you open it. The massive 7.6-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X main display delivers a 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and up to 3000 nits peak brightness. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, editing content, or multitasking, this screen feels like carrying a mini tablet in your pocket. Performance is where the Fold 8 truly feels like a 2026 flagship. It is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor built on a 3nm process, paired with the Adreno 840 GPU and up to 16 GB of RAM. In real-world use, this means everything feels extremely fast. Apps open instantly, animations are smooth, and multitasking across multiple windows is exactly where this foldable makes sense. You can run several apps together, use Samsung DeX for a desktop-style experience, and still have enough power left for demanding games and creative work. Storage options include 256 GB, 512 GB, and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.x storage, although Samsung still doesn't include a microSD card slot. Now let's talk about cameras, because this is an area where foldables often struggle against traditional flagship phones. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 comes with a dual 50-megapixel rear camera setup. The main sensor features optical image stabilization, while the second 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera helps capture wider shots without losing too much detail. Video recording is also impressive, with support for 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K recording up to 120 frames per second. For selfies, you get a 10-megapixel cover camera and another 10-megapixel internal camera, making video calls and quick photos much more convenient. Battery life comes from a 4,800 mAh battery, which is not the biggest capacity on the market, but Samsung's optimization helps it deliver reliable all-day performance. Charging supports 45W wired charging, 20W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless charging. You also get stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, ultra-wideband support, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and all the latest connectivity features you'd expect from a premium device. After spending time with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, the biggest takeaway is that this doesn't feel like a futuristic experiment anymore. It feels like a complete flagship smartphone that simply gives you the option to unfold into something much bigger. Of course, the biggest challenge is still the price, starting at around $1,899, which makes it a serious investment. But for someone who wants the ultimate combination of smartphone portability and tablet-level productivity, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is one of the most impressive foldables Samsung has ever created. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the Galaxy Z Fold 8 over a traditional flagship phone? And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more tech reviews.